Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 6th, 2022. We're going to talk about Moderna today and see whether or not price is going to go up. Yeah, I got to show you something today on the price chart for Moderna. So welcome to the channel. Hit the like button, share the video. Also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on my price prediction. You guys can see I got one right now on the chart for Moderna. And I wanted to come through and show you something from the chart's perspective that I want you all to be aware of. So let's talk about this real quick. All right. Now look at this. I did a video for Moderna all the way back here on March the 11th. Look at the price prediction, right? You guys can see what my expectation is for Moderna. This is what my expectation is. I'm looking for the price in Moderna to go down, right? Look what the price has done anyway. It's been going up. So you all may be saying, well, you got this price prediction wrong. Well, hold on. Pump the brakes. Let's try to see what's really going on in the market for Moderna before I say, yeah, I didn't get this right. Can you see something that is currently happening in the market in Moderna? What do you think is really going on? After I did my last price prediction, like there's something that is glaringly obvious on this price chart that I want you all to see. Is it a coincidence that when I did my last price prediction in Moderna, that I created this horizontal line right here? Is that just a coincidence? What does it represent? This $190 price level. What does it represent? See, I'm here to let you know that the price gives you information. Right? It tells you precisely where the problems are going to be. I knew back on March the 11th that this $186, $190 price level would act as restriction. Now, what does restriction mean? It simply means that this is where I was looking for price to come back down. That is why I got the price prediction all the way up here around 180. Yes. That's the vicinity. It's not exactly up there 188, 186. It's not exactly there, but I can move it up there because that is precisely where the market in Moderna got hung up. These price charts do not lie. So am I still under the premise that Moderna can still go lower? Yes, I am. Basically because of all of these days right here. Look at this. This market had ample amount of opportunities to go up during that time frame. It had ample amount of opportunity. And throughout all of that opportunity, it still couldn't see its price break above 188, 186. I'm here to tell you that area is a very strong area of restriction. If I would have seen price in Moderna break this horizontal line of 186, then I would say, yeah, I didn't get this price prediction correct. But seeing that price is now trending well below that line, that tells me that my price prediction is still valid. It's still viable. We can still see the price in Moderna go down. Now, let me get rid of this. This is where Moderna had the opportunity to confirm the strength right there on this daily price bar on March 22nd, 2022. That was its ability. The following day on the 23rd, we should have saw follow through. We should have saw the price in Moderna continue to go up. Did it? No, it didn't. Okay, cool. The buyers had another opportunity. On the 29th, there was some strength that came in. Price went up. The follow through, it attempted to break above 186, 187, but it still closed on the low of the bar. That's weakness. Now, does it mean that Moderna is massively weak? No, it doesn't. We already know where the midpoint is to where the buyers are at. So if anything, we may be able to break even, right? We may be able to see the price in Moderna come all the way back down here to 143, 145. I'll take that. Or down to 140. So between $145 to $140, I'll take that if I still see buyers stand up price like they did here. Okay, the buyer stood up price here. So let me show it to you. So as price in Moderna comes back down and we see him come through and hold 140 again, then yeah, cut the play, minimize the loss, right? Because right now, if you were to get out now, we're down what, 16%. But if I'm looking for the price to come all the way back down to where the buyers first stood up price, we're break even. So I'm looking at between 150. I'll take the loss at 150. That's only 7.5%. But that's only if buying come in at 150. The buyers will let you know if they're going to hold price. Best believe that. And that first area that we can see them try to come through and hold price, I would think it's going to be around 150. It might be around 155 because I can see that too. Let me show it to you right here. Buyers can hold a price here too. So let's keep it buck. These are the two areas. If we see buyers show up, that will take the loss. 12% there to 150 or 145, which is 4.25. I'm sorry, it's 150. So we got 155 first. If buyers show up, we'll take the loss. Second area is 150, 7.5%, right? Now, let me see. Let me go ahead and play this back. So let's look at this on the 5-day time frame first. Okay. Now look. Take a look. 15 days. Every price bar you see is 5 days worth of price action, right? And you guys can remember, this is where the market in Moderna should have gone up. Following this completion 5-day price bar right here, the market should have continued its strength. But look at it. It went down. Look at it again. This is the last completed 5-day price bar right here. And we're still seeing weakness. So yeah, this Moderna is still weak. Like, the market is not going to fool me into thinking that the price is going to go up. This market is weak right now in Moderna. And we're just looking at the price chart. So I'm going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Moderna, but like I said, I don't think it's massively weak to where we can see it actually come through and break $100. I think that the buyers are going to try to come through and hold price at 155 or 150. Okay. Now let's say that they don't, and the weakness continues and we come all the way back down to 140. Then cool, take the break even. But let's say that the price in Moderna doesn't even do that. So let me show you the play. All right. So let me zoom in a little bit. So what I'm looking at, right? We already determined that the market in Moderna is weak. So what we can do, we're going to expect the price to come down, right? Possibly around 155. The buyers could possibly hold price and begin to market go up. That's one scenario. The second scenario is that the buyers don't even show up at 155. It comes all the way down to 150, hold price and begins to go up. That's the second scenario. The third scenario is for the market to continue to go down, not hold 155, not hold 150, but comes down to 140, and the buyers come through and bring the market up higher from there. The third or the fourth scenario would be price continues to go down to 103, right? And I don't know yet. Like, I'm keeping it real, I'm keeping it a buck. I don't know where the buyers are going to make the determination, make the final stand and say, I'm going to hold price here. So I would have to give you those four scenarios. Which one do you think is more likely to occur though? One thing I will tell you is that, yeah, this chart is weak. The current environment in Moderna is weakness though. It's just going to be hard to determine where the line is going to be drawn and where the buyers are going to show up. So I want to know. I'm going to keep this price prediction the same. I'm not going to change it. I'm going to continue to expect the price in Moderna to go down, right? But how low you think it's going to go? That's the question I want you all to try to answer for me. Is how low you think this price is going to go in Moderna. Okay. So I'm just going to extend this out further. I've told you where I'm looking for the buyers to try to prop up price. We'll see which level they'll do it at. Let me know though. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.